if you haven't checked yet our previous video that we made broth and also the chicken soup, you can check that out. And what I wanted to say is whatever you make the broth, that like a short broth that you want to use quickly, you can save the bones and make more a deep extraction of the collagen if you make like a longer broth, not breath. So now whatever you buy, that if you have that source of buying a very good bone with like a good marrow already, you're gonna make a broth quick, right? And use all that fat fresh. And then save the bones. So that's what we do, right? We did collect all the bones from the whole month. And when I give a clean in the freezer, for example, I collect all the bones. And then next step, we defrost overnight. And then very important tip, it is to roast in a very high temperature, 450 degrees, for about an hour and a half. When the bone it is brown, so important to roast. Bones are the same size right away, so all roast at the same time, right? And then do batches like that with all the bones that you have. You want to let it brown, roast a little bit, and from there we're going to put in a pan. For example, here I have a collection of the bones from the chicken, pig. And when you turn it on the broth, you're going to see also, especially in the beginning, you're going to see a foam, a white foam, that you wanted to take it out. Yeah. And then you check once in a while, see if you have the foam. You take it out here. I took it out some. This broth now is cooking for about 30 hours. So now I had all kinds of bones over here. Now this one's a good marrow from used just for four. Some heads. So yeah, collection of bones from the whole month, and this is the best way that you can use recycle and use in a way that is very efficient and also fundamental if you want a high nutrition, right? To extraction from these bones, you can just dip and cook deep, long time. Ideally, we'll have a bonfire, right? So you can. That will be more efficient, right? But with the solar, it still is okay to use the electric. The fire will be our next step. And so yeah, and then take the foam out, and then let cooking. This probably not gonna reduce into half because very also important it is to be in a low temperature. So we don't want it to let boil, never. You want to just to almost boiling, and then you reduce for very low. Over here, power 2 is about how much the temperature it is. 300 fire rest. About that 300 Fahrenheit, right? And then you're gonna be cooking this until sometimes the bones also dismantle, like getting apart, and that can go. They're going to be probably today. I'm going to finish it, but yeah, you can go even lower. Going here 240. Yeah, so in Ayurveda, it's very important to have a very strong digestion, right? Modern science still didn't uh, see all the steps, the process of digestion that Ayurveda sees, but maybe one day, yes. So the digestion, like that, they see each tissue has their own digestion. So it's very important to have that really powerful. And usually this kind of food we recommend for who needs more nutrition, right? And then go all the tissues, blood, your plasma, your muscles, and the fat area, right? So you wanted to see whatever you're needing, right? I like to do that sometimes for get my joints and bones stronger. I feel that being very good, but each one has their own restrictions, and see whatever make you happy and good for your health, right? But it's really important to have that digestion and what you call the Agni is the fire really strong, and that's what's going to maintain our immunity strong and health. Yeah, so take care and give a thumb up if you like this video and our channel.